Hi, I'm Diksha. I'm a final year marketing student and I started freelancing just recently. While starting out, I used to meet a lot of clients and I used to be very scared because all these clients are different, their businesses are different, and building a campaign for each one of them in future could be a big trouble or could be a big task for me, and I wanted to learn everything about Facebook marketing. I went on searching and searching about everything that I could do so that I become a pro at it. But I realized that even if I learn the basics, even if I take a time of 5 months, I cannot do it unless I actually dive in, start solving the problems. And when I collected the problems of my client, when I did research and everything, I just did not know how I can have the right solution for it, because as I said, every business is different. And it just happened that one day I got to know about this workshop. I saw the ad and I quickly booked my seat there for the 7 day session. And I'm glad I did that, because in a live workshop you interact with a lot of people, and all these participants in the workshop, they have their own businesses, and it was really amazing as a digital marketer to learn, because these are the potential clients I'll be dealing with in future. And knowing about their digital needs, knowing about what problems they are facing, know how they can solve these problems, was very valuable. It was not just something that you learn in a normal course. It's basically that you have a problem in your hand, and this workshop helps you solve that problem. And I'm really, really thankful to Shibaram sir, because he was paying attention to each one of us. It was not at all like a regular education program. And as a student who is about to graduate sooner, I really wanted to learn something practical. And this is one thing I can see its application throughout my life, because I used to think that maybe Facebook ads are really tough and sometimes you just depend upon luck. But it's not luck, it's basically finding and following the essential steps that you can get success from. And I'm really happy that I discovered it at this age, because I know where my career is going to take me now. So I'm really thankful. Thanks, Profit, for the workshop, and thanks to the whole team. Thanks to this community, and I'm looking forward to learn a lot more from this. And yeah, all the best to everyone. You all should try it at least once, because I'm sure the value that I found, you might as well found 10x of that. So yeah, why not? All the best.